5 seconds. Okay, 2-0 ha. Eight seconds. Foul ba? Okay. De La Cruz. Good lang ha. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Okay, 2 points. Score all 2. Remind ko, walang first ball ha. No first ball.
Joshua to Sir Edwin. Edwin, no good. Rebound by
Erin.
Erin to Kirby. Kirby, no good. Rebound by Sir Edwin.
Oh. Good yun ha, no foul.
Okay, same ball. Last touch by Kirby. 18 seconds to shoot. Nice fake. Okay, 2 points by Dominic. Score 4-2. Remind ko, may 8 seconds violation sa pagbababa. Okay, Kirby.
Oy, bad pass. Nakuha ni Sir Edwin.
Oy, bad pass to bad pass. Pero na bad pass pa rin talaga. 2 points by Sir CM. Score 6-2. 13 seconds to shoot.
Okay, backcourt violation.
Good po yan, ha? To Joshua, to Edwin. Nice. 12 seconds to shoot. Sir CM, no good.
Nice pass by Alejos. 2 points by Erin. Score 6-4. Wow, oy, munti ka na. Buti, inabot. Okay, good po yan ha. Nice save, pero hindi namin. Oh! Oras, 3 minutes, 8 seconds. Basta po nilabas ang bola, good po yun. 2 points by Alejos. Score all 6. Both teams may dalawang timeout.
Sir Edwin, no good.
Okay. Ang tatawag po ng foul yung ano ha. Okay, nice pass pero nakuha pa. 8 seconds to shoot. Poblete to De La Cruz. 4 seconds, Poblete. Punti ka na. Good po yan ha, good yan. Good. Good po yan, good po yan.
2 minutes, 15 seconds. Edwin to CM. CM, 2 points. Score 8-6.
Lamang po ng 2 points ang Team CM. Erin. 10 seconds to shoot. Ang tagal ng... Oy! Kailangan umikot ang bola. Walang score ng ball. Oy! Wait lang. May foul ba? Wait po. Dito bola. Mataas po sa dibdib. Offensive foul by Sir Edwin. Time remaining 1 minute 39 seconds. Iwas lang po tayo. Pero hindi naman intentional yun. 10 seconds. Poblete, easy 2. Score all 8. Both teams may dalawang timeout. Si Sean na lang ang ulang ng black sheep No good. Okay, steal by Dominic. Dominic, no good, nice. Uy! Last 58 seconds. Alejos. Oh! Good yun. Paa niya yung ginalaw niya eh. Hindi naman. Nag-initiate ng contact doon yung paa eh. Last 34 seconds. Okay, bola ng regular sa last 28 seconds. May 4 seconds difference sa shot clock. Okay. Last 19 seconds. Last 19 seconds. Last 17 seconds. Last shot. Last 12 seconds. 5 seconds. Edwin, 2 points. 2.6 seconds. 2.6. 2.6. Okay. Bola po ng team regulars score 12-8. Apat lang ang hinahabol. Dito, bola po nila.
Namin, sila ko na nakuha eh. Bola na namin. Change court dito.
Change court po dito bola. Both teams may dalawang timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, nag-advance po ang team regular sa 14 to shoot. Poblete to Erin. Binalik kay Kirby. Kirby! Munti ka na. Rebound by Joshua. Nice, Dominic. Dominic na iwan. Uy, last touch by De La Cruz. 15 seconds to shoot. Oy, good yan. Wala po tayong first ball. Wala po tayong first ball. Okay, 2 points by Alejos. Huwag na pong tapikin pag sumut na. Warning for delaying of the game. Nice pass, unselfish. Dominic, libre-libre. Lumikulang, sayang. Josh, nice pick. 7 seconds to shoot. Sir Edwin, 4 seconds to shoot. Pull up. It's good. 10-14. Counted po yun, ha? Counted. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Apat na po hinahabol ng regulars. Nice drop. Okay, good daw. Good ha, good daw. Edwin dribbling the ball. Oy! Foul daw. Time remaining 5 minutes, 25 seconds. Lamang po ng apat ang team CM. Nice. Dominic. No good. Uy! Na kay Sir CM. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz.
Last 5 minutes. Alejos pull up, nice drop. Pinake pa.
14 seconds to shoot.
Okay, foul down.
Ayun na. Munting palala, wala pong score ang dribble.
Okay, game yan, game.
Libre Alejos.
Binalik kay Erin. No good. Rebound by Poblete. 2 points. Score 12-14.
Nice. Ang ganda ng pasahan ng kabila. Wala lang umakat sa gitna. 4 seconds to shoot. Okay. Same ball. 2 seconds. O, 2 seconds ha. 2 seconds. Okay, good.
Rebound by Erin.
No good. Nakuha ni Edwin. Okay, foul. Kitang-kita. Hard foul. 3 minutes, 33 seconds, 14 to shoot. Dominic. Sayang ang gitna. Nice! Ang yan ang kanina ko pa hinihintay. Good po yun ha. Good yan ha. Good yan. Tuloy lang po ang laro. Okay, counted. Okay. Wait lang, time out. Team joiners.
Finals ko yung mga pro. Ha? Finals ba? Sa last 1 minute yun. Sa last 1 minute.
Remind ko sa last 1 minute ng second quarter, doon tayo may free throw. Isa na lang po time out ng team CM.
Boss, kumpleto na kayo? Wala pa rin. All 40.
Score all 40 na, all 14. Yung kabilang team, sobra dribble. Yung kabila, sayang, walang kumakat sa gitna. Friendly teams lang po yun. Okay, back to the ball game. Nalate na po tayo. Balik na po tayo. Time remaining 3 minutes 5 seconds. 14 to shoot. Bola po ng Team CM. Dominic to Josh. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice, itira mo na. 2 seconds to shoot. Okay, good ha. Good. Okay, rebound by Eri. Nice, Steve. Okay, wait. Wait lang, pre. Alanganin lang, nakita mo lang dito bola. Dito po bola, dito. Dito bola. Dito po bola. Nakita niya lang walang re-receive. 2 points. 14-16. Dalawa lang po inahabol ng team regulars. Oh! Counted! Counted po yun ha. All 16. Counted. Hindi naman po siya tumigil eh. Labas muna, labas muna. May continuous po tayo. Basta continuous ang movement. Good po yun. Oy, 2 points by Kirby. Lamang na po ang regulars ng dalawa ha. Sir Edwin, nice pick. Okay, foul. Sir Edwin, yung siko ha. Okay, no good. Wala pa po. One minute, 40 seconds. Libre, Josh. Oy, yun lang. 1 minute, 34 seconds. Malapit na po tayo pumasok sa free throw time. Erin Turmel. Wow! 2 points! Ang ganda naman on 1 minute 33, 1 minute 13 seconds. Lamang po ng 4 ang team regulars. Josh. Dominic. No good. Last 53 seconds. Good po yan ha. Last 47 seconds. Last 42 seconds. Wow! Uy! Last 35 seconds. 4 lang po yan ha. 4 lang. Last 27 seconds. 10 to shoot. 3. Isa lang po ah. Last 23 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Okay, foul. Kinapitan na po. Free throw, dalawa. 12.3 seconds. Ta-time out pa kayo pag nakashoot? Okay. 12.3. First shot is good. Last shot by De La Cruz. Okay, time out. Team CM. Dalawa lang po ah. Remind ko lang sa defender ha. Huwag susumso. Baka tawagan kayo ng foul. Okay, pwesto na po tayo. Medyo ano na po tayo ha. Depensa na po at di-depensa. Okay, pa-inbound na lang po kay Sir Edwin. Pasok na, Sir Dominic. Okay. Oh, ayan na. 12.3 seconds sa 12.3. 10 seconds. 4 seconds. 1 second. Okay. Ha? Eh, kayo po ang tatawa. Wala po narinig.
Hawak po sa akin.
Boss, hindi ko narinig.